To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. That's the sound of the Boxer by Paul Simon, a really iconic song. I've seen him do it live many times. When I've seen him do it live, he plays it in C, and you could tune it down a half step, is sometimes recommended because I think it was recorded in B. But for today, for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to play it in C. And I'm going to use this C here, and then drop my third finger to the third fret of the E string. Tuck my pinky under the third fret of the A and do big fat C. The reason I'm doing that is because in case you're not familiar with alternate picking and alternate bass picking, you can still get it done here just by using this chord. If you're comfortable, that's kind of feel. Now I'm going, you see I'm doing that, right? I'm going from a C to a G back and forth. If you're not comfortable with that, don't even worry about it. Just do it straight. So the way the chords go, it starts out with a C, walk down to A minor, G, G7, up to C, then walk down to A minor, G, F, so then it goes another verse. Walk down to A minor, G, G7. Walk down to A minor, G, F, G, F, G, C. Okay. Here we go. Here's the chorus. It goes to A minor. To E minor. Back to A minor. To G. Okay, that's the verse and chorus. So let me just give you the verse so you have it really clearly. So you're playing a C. You're setting up your groove, right? Walk down to A minor, G, G7, C, walk down to A minor, quick changes, G, to C, let's do that again, okay, because that's feeling more comfortable for me now. Verse feel. A minor, back to G, G7, walk up to C, walk down, A minor, F, C, G. And then when you go to the chorus, you can either walk it down, I can just go right to the A minor there. La la, to E minor, la 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 la, A minor, la la la, G, la la la. Wishing I was gone, going home. So that verse is a little bit different. That's the third verse, I believe. And then what happens is it goes to the last verse, which is a very kind of ties the whole song up. It's the first time they mention the Boxer. So in the clear stands the Boxer, fodder by his tray, and he carried his burning lighter. For every glove that laid him down, all cut him till he cried out. His anger and his shame, I am leaving, fighters still remain. And then it does a big chorus out. La la la. E minor. A minor. La la la. Back to A minor. La la la. This is the very end. La la la. Back to E minor. A minor. Over and over. It gets bigger. More instruments come in. It finally ends. Which is that ending is really effective because I had the great pleasure of playing this song a couple of years ago with Joan Baez. We did a little show on the Summer of Love. And she said, well, I got a song. Let's do the Paul Simon, Simon and Garfunkel song, The Boxer. And so I've actually got a video I'll show you guys of us practicing in the stairwell of this great theater in San Francisco. And everybody took a verse. So we had some great singers, Nikki Bloom, a whole bunch of singers, myself, all kinds of people were there. And we all took a verse with Joan Baez. And it was like, for me, an iconic moment, an epic moment. But this song is such a great sing-along. So I hope you got something out of that. And I hope I did the song justice. I think I did. But it's getting that feel, right? That's the whole thing right there. Now that's drum bang. The Boxer by Simon and Garfunkel, written by the great Paul Simon, who, by the way, I think lives down the hill these days, right here on Maui. So we're lucky to have him. He played, I think it was 2019, he played a concert here. All right, we'll see you down the road.
Oh, no, you're on the show. Okay. Lousy key for everybody else except me. So, and just